polar vortex. Kids tell your parents you got a vague stomachache. Let's play in the snow, let's build snowmen you promised your kids for years. You can do this all in Indiana, that's pure Indiana. Luke Heitman reporting live from Michigan City, Indiana, January 5th of 2014. Right now we have this really big snowstorm right now. The temperature is 27.
With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that.
I've been reporting again. It is January 5th, 2014, and these winds are picking up. And wow, this snow is just the wind is just like blowing the snow, and it's just going everywhere.
Don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Hey, go. Bring me down. Can't none bring me down.
The storm has been upgraded to a blizzard. A blizzard.
Bring me down, I said. Bring me down. Can't none bring me down. The love is too high. Bring me down. Can't none bring me down, I said. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what
Temperature is -9. Wind chill below 35. -35. And we are under a state of emergency because of this cold weather. Everybody stay indoors. Everything it's just too cold out.
if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is.
It has been upgraded to this. This is Luke Heitman reporting live from Michigan City, Indiana, to January 5th, 6th, 2014. This is Heitman reporting live from Michigan City, Indiana, 2010. Oh, hi, Mama.
Feel like a room without a roof.